Here we are at the Z-bar again. We're going to take a different trail this time. We're going to go across the highway to the east and check it out. The visitor center's closed today and tomorrow for winter hours. Okay, go around this corner, drop below the road there. Well, the trail's a little bit damp. We had some snow on the road, or on the trails yesterday. Gotta come across this. Yeah, I can tell that this is all. Look how I got my good shoes on too. Ooh. Well, a beautiful day, 60 degrees. January the 12th, I believe. It's something else. Ouch, that hurt. Yeah, there's a massive old cottonwood. Looks like you can see the burned bark at the bottom when they burn the pastures here, probably.
Oh, we took
Yeah,
the long one.
I think we'll be
We
fine.
took the long one though.
Well, we're right.
Yeah.
Here, it'll just loop up into the hill, I assume.
No, that's the other one. That's the one we should have taken. That's the left hand. I said it was a shortcut. That's the short loop. We're on this one. We're down here.
Well, I don't think we're going to cross up here. I can hear little waterfalls down there. Yeah, I see the sycamore trees up there just like we did at Chaplin Nature Center in Arc City. Check this out here. Makes a big bend over here. You can see the Z-bar across the pasture here. Beautiful skies today. It's on the verge of wind changing to the north, maybe in a couple days. And the creek's a little wider here, just up the road a quarter mile. I don't want to go down there, it's too muddy. Getting some color there. And dried stems. I see a stone fence across the way there. The bank's lined with the stone here. That's something I don't see back home. And across these structures here. It's kind of interesting. Oh. Electrical no longer hooked up here. I love how these vines climb right up on this cinder block. Love that pasture across the bank there. Another big cottonwood. This trail is always a little distance from the creek, but now you can see how the creek's eroded here. It's left all these big slabs down here. Someone actually left some graffiti over there, it looks like. Road's a little wider. And here's some water trickling down. Must be a little bit of ripple in the creek. Back home we call that a sandbar. I'm sure up here it's more like a rocks. It's pretty wet here. I'm gonna have muddy shoes, that's for sure. Oh, there's low waterfalls here. It's a low water bridge. Whoa. Okay, it's slimy, just like at home. Oh, about fell. Hope I can get up the creek bank here. Oh, beautiful. Diane just about fell. Yeah, I did too. What was a stay off to the side here.
Well, I did, and that's when I'm...
Yeah. You have the falls, of course you have the beautiful still water upstream. I'm going to see if I can get back up here without slipping and sliding. We call this dirt bottom ground, kind of a silt. They put some limestone down on it. See these gourd balls, like about half the size of a hedge ball, but they're almost hollow. Wind's picking up just a little bit. And we're probably 3/8 of a mile, maybe half a mile away from the barn of the Z-bar. Nice little meadow there. Then we're coming up on some original hedge posts here. Who knows how old they are. Walking along here, these hedge posts, I see an old fashioned cattle guard. Yeah, you wonder, come along these old posts, if they could talk. Look what they used. Used a horseshoe. Twist that wire there as it goes up to hold it tight against this oil-filled pipe.
There's a railroad tie underneath that cattle guard.
Yeah, we're almost there. It's good. Right an hour walk for us. Motorcycle, actually. Just think about that in January here, going down the road. I understand the barn's closed right now for renovations. I don't have a clue what they're doing in there. And this facility is closed on Monday and Tuesdays in the winter. So the visitor center was closed right now. Here's the trail we just came on. I thought maybe it went up into the hill there, but it doesn't. There you can see the Fox School up there off in the distance. Then below the valley here across from the Z-bar. There's an old box car, looks like. Oh, I just seen one of these thorn bushes. There was one of these Harvey West Park, and I couldn't find it last time I was there. That's some nasty stuff. Look at that. Oh, yeah, we're almost there to the tunnel underneath 177 highway. Path follows along here. Beautiful grasses. I thought this was the tunnel, but it's just a pasture entrance. But look how wide this is. Must be two, I'm guessing 16-foot gates there.
But you wanted to go ditch diving.
There's a hawk in that tree up there.
Oh, it's a hawk. Pretty good. A little on the cool side, but good. Fence building and gate building. But see, there's another trail that way.
Yeah, there's another trail this way. Only got a 50mm lens on my camera at the moment, so I have to zoom in and post.